my god. That shit is so sick. That's all I need. God damn, do you guys hear this shit? Fun fact, this is TJ Hunt's old car. His old Aventador. And it's oh my god. That is the most ridiculous car in the fucking world, bro. Bro, it's ridiculous, bro. Oh my god, dude. Bro, this is the sickest car ever, dude. That's a good way to start the vlog. What's up, guys? Thank you much for another video. The homie Sammy.
That's badass.
Bro, you're getting new cars like it's new shoes.
I know. I'm over the McLaren. This is it though.
This is the
TJ Hunt's old car, bro.
I know, it's crazy. It's so clean too inside.
I know.
It's literally mint.
Wheels, though. What do you think?
They're pretty sick for now. I like them. They're probably worth a lot of money. HREs. So yeah, Sammy had a GTR. Then he had a McLaren. Now he has an Aventador, bro.
Biggest sounding car
It's
ever.
the best sounding car in the world, bro. It's the best car in the world, bro. I'm telling you, if I had that, I don't need any other car. I'll sell the drift car, sell everything. Guys, like the idle, you can feel it in your chest. Look how loud it is. If a cop's behind him, he's screwed. But what if there's a cop behind you?
Oh, I got a almost got state rep in the morning.
Almost?
No, bro, I'm with Laguna Miguel.
Today we're about to go for a little cruise with Sammy. He just got that Aventador literally like yesterday. It's actually TJ Hunt's old Aventador. It has a full exhaust, HRE wheels. That thing is beautiful, bro. It spits huge flames, as you guys can see. But yeah, I guess it's like this big car meet that we're going to tonight. We're gonna pull up in the Aventador and the GTR. And then look, my old E92 is here. And it's all clean. Woo, this thing is so sick. It's hella lifted right now, but it's still clean. Monster truck. Wow, bro, look at that. Look, guys, my two old cars. It's so sad, dude. I remember when I had both of these in the garage. It was so freaking sick. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I do miss this car a lot. The front ends of the E92s are just so clean with the lip. I miss it, bro, especially that color. Like, it just grabs so much attention. To be honest, that car grabs more attention than the GTR. I think it's just the color and the noise. It's so loud. Guys, this car is literally ridiculous. Like, it's the sickest car ever. This is my all-time dream car, guys, an Aventador. I want an SV or SVJ, but even the freaking base model Aventador is perfect. I'm gonna see if Sammy will let me drive it. That's literally my dream car, bro. And I want to see who would win, guys. Who do you guys think would win in a race? My GTR or the Lambo? I'm actually not on full 85 right now. I'm on a little bit of pump gas, but I want to see who would win. The GTR, full bolts on GTR versus a stock, I think, Aventador with exhaust. I think it might be tuned.
Sure, it's in Corsa though.
All right, is that the good one? All right, guys, he's gonna let me drive it. I'm so scared. This is my dream car, and it's so expensive.
God damn, homie.
What, Jordan? You don't fit?
I'm not even that big and I only fit in this thing.
I know, this thing, I don't even fit, bro.
Look at this shit. Doors go up.
This is so scary, bro. Why is he letting me drive this? I would not let FindingNick drive my Lambo.
Seeing this is actually like makes you like, it's probably like the ultimate dream car.
This is the dream car, bro. This is all I need in my life, guys. Little does Sammy know, I ain't coming back, bro. He can have my GTR. I'm taking this shit home. I don't know what year it is, but I think it might be one of the first years that they came out. But imagine having this car back in like 2012.
Even now. I don't give a
Even now, I know, but imagine 2012, you're a big baller in 2012 having this shit. Joseph said this last time, this car's like way ahead of its lifetime, bro. Like, this looks like a 2021 car, not no 2012. This dude really letting me drive his Aventador, guys.
Just chill.
I've never even driven one, bro. Like, I don't even know if they're fast or not. It's a V12. I'm scared, bro. Watch us get pulled over with my luck.
How wild this car is.
Oh my god, look at the pause between shifts. It's a big ass pause. No, it's doing it like it makes a big pause between shifts.
But you're driving a stick car.
It doesn't even sound that loud in here, but outside it's ridiculous. It feels big, bro.
Yeah, it feels like a big ass car.
Crazy because a lot of people say that they actually like the Huracan better. Like driving wise.
That shit's sick though, actually. That pod.
The pod?
That shit feels cool. Like,
It sounds like we're stick shift. Holy fuck, bro!
that shit's sick. That pod. It's like you're driving a stick car. What the
That
fuck?
shit will fuck your neck up, bro. Oh my god, dude.
That thing sounds fucking the best sounding car I think ever.
Oh my god, bro. Shorty, you gotta hold both of these somehow.
That shit feels so like weird.
Bro, it might be pretty fast, huh?
God damn.
My phone too, bro.
That shit is wild. Like,
God.
like everything. The way it drives, like it fucking feels crazy. It's that little fucking. I got like.
It's literally insane.
I don't know. I wasn't a huge fan of Lambos, only, but driving this is like a whole different thing.
It's
Like,
literally my dream.
like the Huracan, I don't know. Like it was like whatever, but this is fucking crazy.
You like all that shit? Like,
I like that. That shit's.
Imagine giving my mom a reaction. That shit would be so funny. I gotta record this.
God damn. Fucking so sick. I'm in love.
Yeah, bro, this shit is fucking insane. It's so sick, huh? Bro, it's insane, bro. I don't even want to get out, bro. I want to keep driving it, man. It's not my car. I don't even know if it's a park, bro. Where's park at? Reverse?
The red things, huh?
Neutral? I think it was neutral. It's probably like my 992. It's fun?
I think that was the best car ever. I've driven.
1 out of 10, bro.
Like, it's not even that fast, but it's just everything about it.
It feels
clicks.
pretty quick to me, bro. Honestly.
I love the raw feeling.
Like
of that.
first gear is like alright, second, and then right when it gets in third, that shit starts pulling, dude.
This felt faster than the Evo.
Yeah, this felt faster than the Huracan that we drove on. Bro, this thing is insane, guys. I can't believe I actually got to drive one. That's the first Aventador I've ever driven in my life. This thing is so sick. Shout out to the homie Sammy for letting me drive it. Everyone go follow him. Give him a follow. He has some sick ass cars. Like I said, he had a GTR that was Nardo Gray. You have seen it in my vlog before. Then he got a McLaren, and now he has an Aventador. He's literally just trading cars in and out like it's shoes. Like it's a pair of shoes, bro. Just getting new cars. But yeah, it's Aventador, and it's TJ Hunt's old Aventador, which is kind of cool. This thing used to be wrapped purple. I think TJ Hunt had it. He put HRA wheels on it. Look at that, guys. V12 too. That shit has 6 more cylinders than my GTR, bro. How am I gonna keep up with it? Who do you think will win, Sammy?
I think you win.
Really? Yeah. It feels pretty quick, bro. Thank you for letting me drive it.
What?
That was sick as fuck, bro.
What's that?
My car against his car. His car win.
Yeah,
GTR's gonna win?
but I don't give a fuck if he wins all day. Fuck the GTO.
Look what Sammy's driving.
I tell people when it comes to Aventador, like, I don't give a fuck if you beat me.
I know.
That's the one car I don't give a shit. Beat me all day long.
Beat me, yeah. Got me. All those Ford Mustangs in our 80s. Oh, I beat up Aventador.
Damn, guys, look at it. Woo, it looks clean, dude. I had to ask you. Since you love
I know
GTRs.
you're gonna ask me this question.
What would you take, Jordan?
If this was built
Just like this.
like this, I gotta go with that. I'm sorry.
You finally.
I love fucking GTR. Driving that. Now you
I'll choose that right now.
Huracan over this? I'll pick this over Huracan.
Really?
Yeah.
So this over the Huracan, but that over there. I don't know, guys. Who do you guys think will win? You hear it, bro?
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.